So I will give the floor now to Christian Polica, who is a board member of Health-Tech4Care, and also organized the event since the beginning of the creation of Health-Tech Innovation Days.
Okay, so I need to explain what we want to achieve and what are the components. Last year we had 800 participants, in Paris. The majority, 70%, I think, was present physically, the other virtually. This year we hope to have more, a higher percentage of physical participants, because I think one of the specificity of this event is the friendliness and the fact that the people are meeting face to face and making deals, so shaking their hands. So we are pushing the participants, even those coming from North America, to come physically. And I must say that Paris is a nice place for that, We have different events during the main event. First one is meetings between innovative companies. So in four different categories. So biotech companies, medtech diagnostic companies, innovative service companies, and digital health, e-health companies. Can you come back to the former slide? Yeah. So last year we selected 155 companies from a large amount, coming from different European countries plus Israel. This year we hope to have more. We have many candidates, and my personal challenge and the challenge of the selection team is to be at 200 if possible. It will be a good number. Second category is investors coming from around the world, not only European investors. Last year we had close to 300. 30% were coming from North America or Canada. 50% were coming from Europe, not only France. 20% France, 30% outside in Europe, outside France, and the other 20 are from Israel, Middle East in general, the Gulf, and also from Chinese countries, Southeast Asia, and even one from Australia. The event is supported and funded, I must say, the majority of the funding is coming from sponsors. This year we have already 24 sponsors. Last year it was less, but a large number. Last year we had 15 pharmaceutical groups sponsoring. This year I don't know exactly what is the number, but it will be at the minimum that. We have a new pharmaceutical company sponsoring, so it will be more than 15. I don't know exactly the number. So this is a very important part. And all those people, so the selected innovative companies, the 200, I hope, the investors and the sponsors, the pharma companies and the medtech companies are, I would say, speaking through, a platform which is putting them, in contact automatically by introducing themselves, presenting what they are doing, and taking meetings. So organized meeting, if I can say that. This is one thing, but the majority of the meetings are not formal, organized by the platform, but are informal. So because people are crossing themselves, in the corridors, taking a drink and speaking and continuing the formal meetings they have had before, or having new meetings. So another part of this event is the conferences or the roundtable. We'll have 20, perhaps 18 this year. So those conferences or roundtables are in two categories. The first category, or 50%, is mainly dedicated to very innovative subjects, which are addressing the needs of the today needs of the pharma industry, of the health industry in general. So it is an innovative subject, scientific subject, clinical subject, epidemiological subject, patient subject. And the other 50% is dedicated to the business in general. So how to repatriate qualify European managers working in US to repatriate them in France to feed our biotech industry or medtech industry. So it is we have that. We have also how to list what are the tendencies concerning investment, what are all those things which are very important and very important parameters to make our sector successful. So this is what we have. Perhaps the other slide. Yes, so I have already spoken about that, a private meeting organized by a platform. the conferences around table, the networking event, letting the people able to meet and to speak, and the pitch session. So I have forgotten that because it is new this year. We have decided, because it was a strong demand, mainly from our European partners, the biotech centers or the biotech association, they thought that it could be good to let companies competing in front of investor or pharma, to obtain collaboration or funding. And we have had a very, very I will say strict selection process. We have selected 25 companies. Their name has been published at the beginning of this week with a press release in English and France, communicated broadly. And it is a new thing. I think it is adapted. What is important and the difference of the private meeting, for example, the biotech company has not to be at the clinical level to compete for the pitch session. It is open to any sort of companies at any stage of development. Okay, next.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much, Christian. It was
Perhaps only
working.
one last point.
Sure.
It is the quality of the speakers for the conferences and roundtable. We are, it's a very top level, and it is really a very important parameter for us to select people coming. We want to have top deciders, and you will see that many pharma companies are represented at the very top level, including at the CEO level or VP level. For the investors, the same. You have many funds represented by the top general partners. We are supporting personally, the event and coming even from US. And for the conferences and roundtable, the same. We have, for example, we have top people from Amgen, from Sofinnova, from Microsoft, from Philips Healthcare, from Seventure, from Biorad in California, from Valneva in France, from Servier, from Genzyme, from Sanofi, from Adjuvant Capital, from New York, from Merck and Co. So from Ferring. So and all those companies or funds are represented at the top level, and those people are participating to the roundtable, to the conferences, to the meeting. So it's really a specificity for the young company. It's very rare to have that, because I have attended, as you, to many events around the world. You are meeting a low management level or medium management level, not the top level. So it is something specific, as you can say that you can see that we can meet those people to drink a glass of wine with them. So it is very specific and original, and accelerating the fact you are able to make deals with those people. Sorry.
Thank you very much, Christian. It was very complete.